All right. Super excited for today's video. We're going to break down some technical analysis on Google. All right. Ticker symbol GOOGL. All right. We're looking at it after the stock split. Okay. And it just reported earnings after the bell today. And I'm just going to go ahead and break it down on the chart. Okay. And show you guys how there were multiple bullish signs, right? Today. And also, just over the past few weeks and months, there's been a nice pattern, all right, developing known as bullish divergence. Okay. This is a nice little indicator that you may see some bullish activity in the future, right? And what it is, it's when there's a divergence between the stock price, where the stock price is dropping lower, okay, highlighted by these ovals. You have a low, lower low, lower low, okay. Simple stock term right there, lower lows. But our RSI, okay, the relative strength index has been increasing, okay. We went from 25 up to 29, all the way up to 38 today, all right. So that's the first thing that I'm looking at. Okay. The bullish divergence trend line. I know that if we come down, this is going to be a nice little area of support possibly for the stock, right? If we pull back, we can look to see if we get a bounce off of that bullish divergence trend line. All right. But the price action was been very, very clean. Okay. We're going to go over this demand zone right here. All right. And kind of just show you guys what we got going on. So I want you to see that anytime we came down to this level, all right, in this area right here, all right, we did not stay there long and we bounced very strongly. Okay. One time, two times, three times in the past here. Okay. This is your fourth time right here. So this is make or break territory. All right. And what do you know? Sure enough, Google goes and blasts off, okay, on earnings. All right. So, it really was going to be a hit or miss, right? If they had bad earnings and we're coming down in this demand zone that we've already tested four times, okay, then that demand may not be there after the fourth time, right? But sure enough, demand came in, buyers stepped into the market today, all right, after the close, and we can see that Google is pushing up very, very nicely, all right. And if we look at where we're finding resistance at currently after the bell, it's right up here around 110.79, okay, really close to 111. That's our 50% retracement level on the fibs, all right. So once we get above this 110.79, we're going to be on the bullish half of this retracement above the 50% level. And our next resistance level is going to be 112.89, 115.88, and then we have 119.69 is going to be the 1.0 level that I'm looking at on the fibs. Okay. So, this is what it's looking like right now on the daily chart. But tomorrow, we're going to open up in this area up here if the prices remain, consistent right around that 110.79 level. Okay. So a nice big drop pop. All right. We can go ahead and take a look at that move real quick. And up about 5.5% roughly after hours. Okay. So some nice momentum there. We'll see if that momentum can continue, but we do have to be cautious, okay? Because we also have the Fed rate hike tomorrow. And nobody can predict how exactly the market is going to react to that. We know that they've been pricing in the 75 basis point hike. So the market may go green once we get that 75-point basis hike, or we may get a 100-point basis hike, and the market could pull back, right? So you have to keep, be mindful of that, right? And just try to, ride this momentum on Google while you can. If you got in towards the end of the day and then you ride that, you got that nice pop, that'll be a nice little gain in the morning, especially if you guys are trading options. So, there you go. These are my key levels.